Kauna-unahang driver to owner livelihood program gamit ang electric vehicle inilunsad sa Quezon City. Maaari nang magmay-ari ng sasakyan ang isang transport network vehicle service driver sa loob ng 7 taon na walang mabibigat na bayarin sa boundary. Kasunod ito ng inilunsad ng driver to owner program ng Hail Transport Inc. na Wuling Philippines, dealer ng electric motor vehicle sa bansa. Pinangunahan ni Wuling Philippines President and CEO Lloyd Lee at ang asawang si 2011 binibining Pilipinas Universe Chamsi Supsup Lee ang paglulunsad ng kauna-unahang driver to owner electric vehicle program na ginanap sa Bridgetown sa Quezon City. Sinabi ni Chamsi Supsup Lee, Wuling Ambassador, na very happy sila sa partnership ng Hail. Ipinahayag niya ang pag-asa na mas maraming Pilipino ang gagamit ng EV. Ang ating mga sasakyan ay nagkakahalaga lamang ng piso kada kilometro at nangangahulugan ito ng mas maraming ipon para sa mga driver.
Expense. We talked to some of the drivers. Malaki sa kanilang nakukuha na income napupunta sa gasoline. But because this is a pure electric vehicle, it's 1 peso per kilometer. And so, talagang mas bababa yung kailangan nilang maabot. Kumbaga, everything else will be income na ng ating mga drivers. And hopefully, because of that, because they will have lower expense, then we can provide a lower transportation fee for the Filipinos.
Sinabi ni Engineer Tamayo, Hail President, sinabi niya magpapakalat sila ng 20,000 Hail and Wuling EV na may paunang 5,000 unit. Ito ang pinaka-opportunity na oras para sa TNBS. Ang paggamit ng EV ay mas matipid kaysa sa mga tradisyonal na sasakyan. Dagdag ni Tamayo, gagawin nila ito na maging maayos at pagdating ng 7 taon, ang mga driver ay makakakuha ng loyalty award.
This is a declaration that in the Philippines, we can build a future where technology serves the many, not the few. Today, we answer to the call of the DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon and LTFRB Chairman Teofilo Iguales III to provide affordable, responsible, and safer commuting program in the Philippines, with a planned deployment of 20,000 electric vehicles in the next 5 years, starting with 5,000 units in Metro Manila, Pampanga, Cebu, Bacolod, Iloilo, Palawan, and among other cities in the Philippines. Zero boundary, zero monthly amortization, only 10% booking fee, LTFRB franchise subsidy, free annual insurance. And those are only the few that we can promise our drivers to give them the chance to have a good living. Thank you.
Ayon naman kay Michael De Los Santos, Hail Chief Business Officer, sa ilalim ng programa, 1,700 lamang ang operational cost at wala nang dagdag na bayarin para sa franchise fees, insurance, boundary charge o repair cost ang isang driver maliban sa gulong.
Ito yung programa na makakatulong. Yung 1.7 inclusive na ho yun. Inclusive na doon yung inyong monthly amortization, inclusive na inyong charging fee, admin fee, everything, lahat po ng fee. Ando doon na po lahat. But this program, these are all for Filipinos, no? Like what you're asking, we're doing this because we are all 100% Filipino-owned company.
Ayon sa dating binibining Pilipinas Universe, ang programang ito ay suporta sa Transport Modernization Program ng Department of Transportation na naglalayong mapabuti ang karanasan ng mga pasahero at pampublikong transportasyon sa bansa.
And I went in a week course to learn more about electric vehicles. Na-amaze talaga ako sa technology. And when I went to Liuzhou, no, where the factory was located, 50% of the vehicles that are on the roads are all electric na. So talagang ginagamit na siya matagal na. Sa ibang countries, no, they've been using electric for so long already. It's just the Philippines na medyo hindi pa tayo talaga na-embrace natin yung electric vehicles. But I feel like eventually, people would see the benefit, not just for themselves, but for the environment once they switch to an electric vehicle.
Ako, si Buboy Patriarca, para sa Balitang Malaya.